Now, let's talk about lesson 2, the measures of dispersion. It is the measures that describe the degree of extent of a data. It is also called the measures of variability or measures of spread. So, this measure is used to determine how scattered the values are in the distribution. So, in this topic, we will consider four measures of dispersion: the range, average deviation, variance, and standard deviation. Let's talk about let's talk first about range. So, range for ungroup data, I mean. So, the range is the simplest measure of variability. It is the difference between the largest and smallest measurement. So magma-minus lang kita ang largest, ngayon ang smallest measurement. So range R is equals to H minus L, where H is equals to, is the highest measure, ngayon ang L naman lowest measure. So it's easy la. So we have here example 1, consider the four datasets presented below. Find the range of each dataset. So may kita upat nga dataset, 'di ba? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, upat nga dataset. So we have here the kuan corresponding data per data. Um, so magfo-focus lang kita pinakadako nga pinakaguti nga number measurement, okay? So we have here 15. 15 minus 11 is 4. 19, data set 2, ang pinakadako nga number is 19. 19 minus 13 is 6, di ba? Ang data set 3, may kita 22. 22 minus 10 is 12. And then, data set 4, 30 minus 21 is 9. So, ang dako lang ngahin ang pinakaguti. Next, we have range for group data. It is simply the difference. So, difference nga huya. Difference han upper class boundary ngahin lower class boundary. Okay? So we have here, find the range of the scores in midterm exam of BEd first year students. We have here the class interval ng frequency always given. So timbubuhaton, magpa-plus lang kita in 0.5, didi ang top interval, pinakadako nga number. Yadi, 50 plus 0.5 equals 50.5. Yadi. And then, magma-minus kita in 0.5, didi ang pinakaguti nga number han, bottom interval, that is 21. 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. So, nagdugang kita didi haigbaw, in 0.5, nag-minus kita, hailaram in 0.5. Then, igma-minus lang nimo. Upper class boundary minus lower class boundary equals 50.5 minus 20.5 equals 30. So, may nakita 30 nga range. Next, we have average deviation for ungrouped data. So it is a measure of absolute dispersion that is affected by every individual score. It is the mean of the absolute deviations of the individual scores from the mean of all the scores. So we have average deviation, the formula. Average deviation is equals to the summation of the absolute value of the difference of x minus x bar divided by n minus 1. Where this sigma, guys, is the symbol for summation, n is the total number of scores, x individual score, and x bar is the mean of all scores. So let us have an example. So may the mga things to consider para makasolve ito the average deviation. So I'm going to tell it na la while answering the example. So for example 3. The row scores of its students and statistics are given as follows: 17, 17, 26, 28, 30, 30, 31, and 37. Compute the average deviation. So guys, ang hinatag laha aton is the score, okay? Asyalat at mayda, score la. Tutudyo naton itong deviation, ngahin, absolute deviation. Kaasyamit kinahanglan natin didi, yadama, the absolute deviation, the absolute value. Tedi nga haligid, taduduha nga linya, hini, nga vertical line, that is absolute, okay? So we have here 17. To get the deviation, guys, Igpla-plus talaan na nga tanan, igdi-divide na makumpira nga tanan para makuha natin mean. Kaya nga ni, di ba kanina nasa rin kita ang mean score, permi gamit na gamit it mean score. Kasi, din gagamitin tananama. So, deviation, x minus x bar. Ano mo x minus x bar. So, 17 minus 10, 17 minus 27, I mean, this one equals negative 10. 17 minus 27 is negative 10. 26 minus 27 is negative 1. 28 minus 27 is 1. 30 minus 27 is 3. And so on. 37 minus 27 is 10. To get the absolute deviation, to get the absolute value, hindi nga deviation, guys, igkakapila nimo nga tanan nga number. Tatanggalin nimo ang negative, nga tanan nga negative, magiging positive, and positive, it'll, it'll remain, okay? Wala magbabaguhan number. Natanggal la ang negative. So, same la ang number dinhi. Okay? Now, we have read the formula. Nasa rin din sum. Sum han absolute deviation. Ibig sabihin, igpa-plus nga tanan ang absolute deviation. Pag plus ini mga tanan, that is equals to 42. Now, may na nakita numerator. May nakita summation of the absolute value of x minus x bar, which is 42, divided by n minus 1. Ma'am, di init nga n. Yan hi. Walo in nga tanan. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, that is 8. 8 minus 1. 42 divided by 8 minus 1 equals 6. That is our average deviation. Now, let's compute the average deviation for group data. So, we have heard the formula, guys. Average deviation is the summation of the frequency multiplying into an absolute value and difference of x minus x bar divided by n minus 1. So, ang nagbag-ula dirihan, formula kanina, what ay frequency? Yan na, may daan na natin frequency. Hindi nga, F. Okay? So, let us have an example. Example 4, guys. So, below is a frequency distribution of a test score. So, we have here, guys, example 4. Below is a frequency distribution of test scores of 50 students and assessment of learning. Find the average deviation. So guys, again, itong class interval, ini nga class interval in frequency, this is always given. So tutudyo natin yan na itong midpoint, yan nga x, and then x minus x bar, the average deviation kanina, parehas light here, an absolute deviation yada nga hinig mo multiply ta ang frequency, hin mataray tanaan, yan hi nga absolute deviation. So, itat una nga bubuhatan para makuha itong x bar, guys. Yan hi nga midpoint, igpa-plus ta ini, at class interval, igdi-divide ta na mahinto. So, 36 plus 40 divided by 2 equals 38. So, 31 plus 35 divided by 2 is 33. 36 plus 30 divided by 2 is 28. So 21 plus 25 divided by 2 is 23 and so on and so forth. So para natin makuha yan hinga deviation, any deviation man ini tawag. Ito dyan talaan it x bar. Kayo na may x bar nakikita niyo. Here's the x bar. Kinahanglan it nat kuhaan anay. So to get the x bar, um, mo-multiply ni mo iton yanhi. Di ba nagkuan kita hat han mean median and mode, there is mean. And ELHIT formula is the summation of f of x divided by the summation of f. So 38 to get the x bar, 38 plus 38 times 7 plus 33 times 7 out 33 times 10 plus 28 times 5 plus 23 times 14 plus 18 times 6 plus 13 times 8 divided by 50, the summation of f, okay? Makakakuha kita 25.4. So, dara kami ito na x bar, pwede na natin makuha itong deviation. X, yada guys, yadi nga x, minus x bar. Yada mit formula. So, 38 minus minus 25.4 nga x bar. May data 33 liwat didi minus 25.4 yan din na liwat. May kita 7.6 and so on tipakadi. And then, we have here guys the absolute deviation. May the absolute hiya. Yadit paluluyo. Para matanggal nga tanan nga negative. So, ikakopy lang nga hawa number para sa kanina. We have here 12.6. Ang mga negative din natanggal la. Okay? So, ito yung calculator may dida absolute. The word nga abs, asyet hiya. Absolute value. So, the number, matatanggal itong mga negative, pero asya lagi hapit number. Ang positive, positive lagi hap. So, may da nakita absolute deviation. And then, that next nga bubuhatan, may data yan yung frequency. Mo-multiply tahan absolute deviation. And at frequency. So, we have here the frequency. Yadi hay, yadi. So, 7 times 12.6 equals 88.2. 10. So, we have here 10 times 7.6, ngayon hi nga 7.6 equals 76. And so on and so forth, guys. And then, the date formula nakasurat summation of the frequency, igta times panimhan absolute deviation of x minus x bar. So, igpa-plus in nimo nga tanan. Yan hi. So, we have here 354.4. May nakita numerator. 354.4 divided by n minus 1 equals 7.33. May nakita average deviation nga 7.33. Guys, ini nga 50. Yan himay the summation of f. So, that's it. Next, we have here variance for group data. So, when the data are presented in frequency distribution, that is the variance. So, we have here the formula. Maliya din guys. Maliya. Sana nabati ka mo. So we have here the formula s squared is equals to the summation of the square of x minus x bar divided by n. Okay? So, hindi kita didihiton. Example. We have here a data set. Compute the variance of each set. So guys, iton pag-compute iton variance iton data set, yung delete formula, kalawin natin. So, s squared, the variance, okay? So, kinahanglan natin ng x minus x squared. Yan to, okay? Same as yan, hi. So, whenever data set 1, may data score nga 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. There, ini, ang nag-answer hini guys, iya lagin arrange. Pero based on itim direct arrange, asya lag hapit answer direct magbabago. Kasi nag-plus lang kita di ang nag-times, okay? So, deviation. Antes kita makakuha deviation, tatadyan talaan na iton x bar. To get the x bar, igpa-plus ta nga tanan nga score, igdi-divide ta na nama kung pira nga tanan iton score. So may data 13.6. Okay? 10 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16. Igdi-divide ta yung pira niya tanan. 2, 4, 5. Divided by 5, ay kita 13.6. Okay? Now, nagmaminus na kita para sa lagap kanina ang deviation. X minus x bar, 10 minus 13.6 negative 3.6. 13 minus 13.6 may kita negative 0.6 and so on. Nga didi 16 minus 13.6 is 2.4. So may da na kita deviation. Now, to get the standard deviation, guys, ayun na, kalaw niyo, x minus x bar squared. Gin-squared lang mo ang deviation. It means, you're gonna have to multiply the deviation by itself. 3.6 times 3.6. So, naging positive siya di ba? Wala nakita absolute. Kasi, pag it number, same sign, uh, nagiging positive. For example, negative times negative is positive. Okay? So, negative 3.6 squared or negative 3.6 times negative 3.6 is positive 12.96. Negative 0.6 times negative 0.6 or negative 0.6 squared is 0.36 and so on and so forth. Nga dito pa ilarom, paparehas itit pag-solve, okay? Now, itong formula, nakasulat dida, sum. Yun yung sigma, di ba? Igsa-sum up ta ko no, ini nga standard deviation. Yada. Yada ang standard deviation. Igsa-sum up ta ko ni Tia. So, ig-plus ta nga ni ini nga tanan niya nga nakuha. May nakita 21.2. So may nakita numerator, 21.2 divided by n. Pera at n, 5. Because this is 5. 2, 4, 5, 5. So 21.2 divided by 5 is 4.24. So may nakita variance. That is our variance. So ipag-solve it data set to, pares lagi hap guys. Pares lagi hap ang data set 1. So now let's move to variance for group data. So this is the formula, guys. Same dama kanina, nagkamayadala din yung frequency. Asya lang dinugan. Nag-multiply kita hin frequency. So ito na i-process, parehas lagi with process. So we have an example 6. Below is a frequency distribution of test scores of 50 students and assessment of learning. Find the variance of scores. So guys, itong class interval again, yan frequency, always it here given, okay? So, an x, guys, ang midpoint, maaram na makamuhit ang pagkuha, di ba? Ig, pa-plus nimo ang class interval, i-divide naman nimo hin 2. Jadi nga class interval, imo igpa-plus. Igpa-plus ini, i-divide naman hin 2, may dakita 38. So, 36 plus 40 divided by 2 equals 38. Yada. So, 35 plus 31 divided by 2 is 33. So, same as tipakadi hayalarom. Now, we have here x minus x bar. So, antes kita makapag-move, hit midpoint minus x bar, tuto dyan talaan it x bar. And to get the x bar, guys, kukuhaan natin itong summation of f times x times divided by the summation of f. Guys, so timbubuhaton, magta-times kalat, hiton 7 times 38 plus 33 times 10 plus 28 times 5 plus 23 times 14 plus 18 times 6 plus 13 13 times 8 equals nila, i-divide naman nimo hin summation of f which is 50. So we have our x bar 25.4. Now, makukuha na natin iton yadi nga deviation x minus x bar. This one. Yun ang may formula na nakasulat itigbaw x minus x bar. So x ko no, minus na natin x bar. So 38 minus na natin x bar nga 25.4, may nakita 12.6. 33 minus hanaton 25.4, may kita 7.6. Parehas la 28 minus 25.4, may nakita 2.6. Okay? Now, yadi nag-squared nga ho kita. Again, anim negative din he. Parehas let hiya, magiging positivity ya. Kay negative times negative is positive. And then, so ini, nga deviation, igmo-multiply la ini mo by itself or imo igi-squared, okay? 12.6 squared or 12.6 times 12.6 equals 158.76. 7.6 squared, 7.6 times 7.6, we have here 57.76. And so on, pares let hiya, pag-solve nga dati pa ilarim. Okay? Now, nasa nga ang nagbago lang formula, mag ta-times la kitahan frequency. May data frequency, di ang formula guys, yada. Igmo-multiply ta hiya, nga di. Yada, nga standard deviation, nakuha. Yadi frequency, igmo-multiply ta iya. 7 times 158.76 equals 111.32. 10 times 57.76 equals 577.6. And so on. Para sa tiya nga di, ti pailar masya ti bubuhaton. So, kaya nakasurat madidigay san formula, di that formula, kalawit formula, may nakasurat dida nga sigma. Yan nga sigma. Ibig sabihin, ini nga symbol, that is summation. Igpa-plus ko nun yung mga tanan ini. Yan hi. So, igpa-plus ini yung mga tanan, may dakita 3,362. So we have here numerator 3,362 divided by 50 minus 1. Your n is 50 here. The summation of f is your is your is your n. Okay? So that's 50. So 3,362 divided by 50 minus 1, 68.61. So may da nakita variance. Next is the standard deviation for ungroup data. Guys, itong standard deviation, para sa, kung ano hit variance, guys, ani mo squared din, di ba kanina is squared and siya anaton variance. Ano the standard deviation na himo dida nga square root and it's squared, pares malakas it hiya. Okay? So, ang process ang pag-solve, guys, parehas la. May nakita kanina, s squared equals 4.24. Sige, panadya it. So, may nakita s squared, 4.24 siya ang aton variance. Okay? To get to get the standard deviation, gin-square root lanim. So, square root is equals to 2.06. Parehas lagi hapit process, see? Parehas lagi hap didit process. Kalawin niyo an example 2. 6.56 aniya variance. S squared is the variance, okay? So, we have here the square root, gin square root la, naging 2.56. Now, let's move to variance for group data. So, I mean standard for the standard deviation for ungroup data. So, anim squared din he, anim mo variance for group data, naging square root la din he. So, parehas lagi nga process ang pag-solve here. Parehas lagi nga process. Kung an example, it's the same. Ang imo 68.6 nga variance, this is variance, okay? S squared variance is equals to 68.61. Let's check. See? May nakita 68.61. And to get the standard deviation, igi-square root lanim, guys. To get the standard deviation, square root la, anim squared, nahinga dahlo yung square root of 68.61, we have 8.28. Then we're done.